Dear students, today we are going to talk about the parts of speech. Let me call the building blocks of grammar, very basics of grammar, very fundamentals of grammar. Without knowing them, it almost becomes difficult for you to understand the structures or the things that is written in the grammar. Okay, so this is what we call the parts of speech. Parts of speech in another term known as word classes. Word classes. Okay, so what are the parts of speeches? Parts of speech. Yes, what I've written here, every word in English language acts as one of these parts of speech when in a sentence. Okay, the words we say in English are either of them, any 9 of them, whether they are nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, conjunctions, prepositions, interjections, and determinants. Whatever the words we see, they fall under the listed items here. Okay, today we will discuss each of these parts of speech in isolation. Separately we will deal with nouns, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, verbs, adverbs, conjunctions, prepositions, interjections, and determiners. Right? First of all, let's begin from nouns. Okay. Before I start dealing each of them separately, let's deal with their classes. What I mean to say here is I have made a short anecdote. Let's go through that anecdote, and that helps you understand the parts of speech. Okay, so let me say nouns. Nouns are the doers of the sentence. Nouns are the doers, I mean to say, the action doers. The most essential part of the sentence is noun. Okay? When noun gets supported by verbs, it is said that the sentence is made. Okay? The very compulsory part, the very fundamental part, the very basic part of any sentence is noun and verb. So what we can call it here is, I have made a grammar family, and this grammar family, let me make you understand it through grammar family. Noun is father, verb is mother. Verb is the mother of the grammar family. Pronoun is son. Adjective is elder daughter. Adjective is elder daughter. Adverb is younger daughter. Adverb is younger daughter. Adverb is younger daughter. Conjunctions and prepositions are the, prepositions is what we call the bodyguard of the family. Preposition is the bodyguard, let me say bodyguard. Preposition is the bodyguard of the family. Preposition is the bodyguard of the family. Interjection and conjunctions, they are the good neighbors of the family. They are the good neighbors. Good neighbors of family. Now let me say why noun is father, verb is mother, pronoun is son, adjective and adverbs are two daughters, conjunctions and interjections are the good neighbors, and prepositions is the bodyguard of the family. So let me clarify it. Noun and the verbs. As I already told you, noun and verb can make a sentence. They are the very basics, very fundamentals of a sentence. Okay? If there is noun, nouns are the action doers, the words that name something, or the doers of the action is the nouns, and the action that is done is the verbs. Okay, let me say Sam works. Sam works. This alone can make a sentence. Sam works. So other parts like pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, interjection, conjunctions, these all are the optional parts of a sentence. Okay, if there is noun and verb, there is said to be a sentence. Okay, so like father and mother can make a family in our society, and like father and mother make a family in English, noun and verb can make a family. See, the other parts are the optional part of the sentence. Okay, now let me go for verbs. So what are verbs then? Verbs are the verbs are the action words. We will talk about the verbs in detail later on. Now let me jump onto pronouns. So pronouns are the words that are used instead of noun, that replaces noun. Okay, so what I mean to say here is either there is noun or there is pronoun in a sentence. Noun and pronoun cannot come in a single sentence. Okay, so either there is noun or there is a pronoun. So like if there is father, if father is dead, or suppose his father is no more active in the family, son takes that responsibility. In the same way, if noun is not in the sentence, the pronoun takes the role of the noun. So you please understand that way. Okay, now let me go to adjectives. Adjectives is, adjective is the elder daughter of the family. What I mean to say, elder daughter? So elder daughter is always seen talking about the nouns and pronouns in a sentence. If there is noun in a sentence, it likes to talk about nouns. If there is not noun, there is of course pronoun, and she likes to describe the pronouns. That means to say, any words describing nouns and pronouns are called adjectives. Okay, so this is what is the general definition of the adjectives. So let me clarify it. Okay, Sita is beautiful. Sita is beautiful. Now you see, the word beautiful is saying something to Sita, something about Sita. Sita is the noun of the family, the doer of the action. So she is, the word beautiful is saying something about Sita. That means noun noun and the pronoun is always described by adjectives. If there is no Sita, there is she. If there is no Sita, there is she. That means if there is no noun, there is pronoun, and she is beautiful. Now the word beautiful describes about the noun. So this is what is the general definition of noun, pronoun, adjective. Adjective always describes noun and pronoun. Okay. Naming words are nouns. Action words are verbs. Words replacing the nouns are pronouns. Adjectives are the words which describe noun and pronoun. So this is what is the definition of adjectives, or I mean to say all these four parts of speech. Now let me take you to adverbs. Adverbs is again describing words. Adjective also describes something. Adjective also describes something. Adverbs also describe something. I mean to say, adjective and adverbs both are describing words, but the words that they describe to, the words that they describe about is different. Adjective always describes noun and pronoun, but adverbs always describes the verbs, adjectives, and another adverb. I mean to say the female member of the family. Okay, father, mother, son. She does not like to talk about father, son, or brother, I mean to say. So because father and son are the male members of the family, so she does not like to talk about the male members of the family. She rather likes to talk about the verbs, female members of the family, female members, daughter, and sometimes she describes herself. Okay, so words describing about noun and the pronoun is called, are called adjectives, but the words describing about verbs, adjectives, and another adverb is called, are called adverbs. Okay, these are the general definitions of noun, pronoun, adjective, verbs, and adverbs. These are the very vital members of the family. Eh? These are the vital members of the family. Okay, so we have got other members too in the family, like preposition, interjection, conjunction. Okay, now let me go to preposition. Preposition is the bodyguard of the family. I mean to say, preposition always comes before noun. Eh? Remember one thing, preposition always comes before the noun. Coming before the noun, it shows the relationship between two different nouns. We will deal that separately later. But one thing you should keep in mind, that preposition always comes before noun. Okay, let's understand that much now. I will deal with preposition separately later on, and you will have much clear idea. Now let me go to conjunctions. Conjunctions are joining words. Conjunctions and interjection, I have called them, what to say, good neighbors of the family. When do good neighbors come into our house? When there is happy and sad occasion. When there is happy occasion, they come for celebration. When there is sad occasion, they come for sharing some sadness with us. Okay, so this is what happens. This is what do our neighbors as well. So, what do I mean by saying conjunctions and interjections, the good neighbors of the family? Let me say, she is tall but lazy. She is tall but lazy. Remember, the word but is conjunction here, and it has shown relationship between two words in a sentence. So, two family members, adjective and another adjective, adjective and another adjective is connected by the word but. So, what does conjunction do? It helps to have good relationship between two family members. Conjunctions, that is what is the definition of conjunctions. We will again deal with the conjunction later too, and you will have much clear idea of. And then let me take you to interjection now. Interjections are the words that we use to express our emotions. In order to express our emotions, interjections are used. What I mean to say here, what do I mean the emotions? Hooray! We have won the match. Hooray, we have won the match. Hooray, we have won the match means there is good occasion, happy occasion. So, what to say, preposition, interjection has come as a happy occasion. If I say, alas, she is dead. If I say, alas, she is dead, it has come in the sad occasion, unhappy occasion. So, what are interjections? Interjections are the words that we use to express our emotions. Okay, we will again deal with the interjections separately. Okay, but now you should just understand that interjections are emotion expressing words. Now let me take you to determiners. As per traditional grammar, we see the parts of speech being listed in 8 number. There are, according to traditional grammar, there are 8 parts of speech. But what we generally find in modern grammar is determiners as well. Determiners as well come under the category of parts of speech. That is what we find in modern grammar. Okay, now determiners are like adjectives, right? Determiners are like adjectives. They have some similarity with the adjectives. I will again deal with determiners and adjectives in later session. So first of all, now let me take you to nouns now.